Harrisonburg City Council recently amended the city's noise ordinance.
What we do is every summer get together with some of the patrol officers. And so I met with two of the patrol lieutenants, and HPD has requested council to consider several amendments.
The recent amendment stemmed from Harrisonburg City Attorney Chris Brown talking with a couple of lieutenants with Harrisonburg Police Department.
They're looking at traffic safety. They have folks walking in the road who maybe have had too much to drink, and you know, if you can have some of the monitors, again, they're supposed to have monitors at the party to help control things, to say, hey, on the sidewalk, you guys are this way, you guys do. They're just trying to plan something.
Brown told the council the police recommendations.
The first is to designate a drop-off and pickup area for private vehicles, taxis, and transportation network companies. Even amongst our college students, the use of Uber and Lyft is extremely common. And what the officers tell me is that the parties, when either folks are being picked up or dropped off, the automobiles will stop in the middle of the road to let people off. And it's especially dangerous if the location happens to be near a corner. And so what they're asking, what they would like to ask, is that the party organizer designate a safe drop-off and pickup area for, again, the Lyfts and the Ubers, and try to direct those folks there when they're picking up or dropping off.
In 2017, people packed into the council chambers when the same noise ordinance was amended to include a contact person. That amendment stemmed from issues surrounding the ordinance. From January to May, there were 49 mass outdoor social gathering permits issued by the city manager's office. There were 5 violations, and HBD had to shut down 14 large parties in the same year. Last night, Brown asked the council to consider the police recommendations.
Section 10 is included in the plans evidence of a plan to safely and efficiently disperse individuals from the event site at the event's termination. At the end of these parties, sometimes there are several hundred people there, and the vast majority of the time the parties end when they're supposed to end. Occasionally they end at the strong suggestion of HPD that it's time to wrap things up.
According to Brown, the applicant applying for the permit cannot have 2 or more violations of the gathering ordinance or the noise ordinance within a 12-month period.
For violations, Harrisonburg City Code Section 16-8-62, which is illegal possession of alcohol by an underage person, and Virginia Code Section 4.1-306, which is providing alcohol illegally to an underage person.
But members of the City Council, including Mayor Dina Reed, had some concerns about being too forceful with college students.
What are we asking that they have a place for Uber and taxi to drop off and pick up?
That's right. Either in front of the party or wherever possible, some safe place. And again, you'll hopefully have a monitor, one or more monitors outside who can direct the taxi or the Uber to the appropriate location to drop off party goers and pick them up.
And then we're asking them to be able to disperse people down, to tell people when to leave, when not to leave, where to go, how to go down the street.
At the end of the party, when there's a mass of people leaving, to try to direct some onto different streets if possible, again, so you don't have 400 people walking down Mason Street.
Realistic?
I said it's aspirational.
Yeah.
We're hoping that would help.
I mean, this is turning into like they should have an event coordinator out there.
Councilman Chris Jones chimed in on the issue.
I don't want to create booby traps for somebody to be in violation.
Councilman Sal Romero questioned the attorney about the application.
Anybody who have a party of this nature, they have to apply for a permit?
Right.
Oh, yeah.
Right.
If it's more than 100 people, there's going to be
Could
some.
we provide some guidelines and recommendations similar to what we're saying in a written form?
We have an application that
It does.
Well, what I'm saying, not necessarily a part of the amendment, a part of the ordinance, but instead recommendations that lead to what we want to do.
I understand. Just
As a recommendation, not like
Sure.
we're going to enforce this, but by the way, in order to help us and help the neighborhood.
It was a former JMU student, Councilman Jones, who made the proposal regarding the noise ordinance.
Madam Mayor, I would propose that we amend Section 15.3-3 as presented under item number 8 and 13, with number 10 given as a suggestion in the motion.
But the city council backed away from approving all of the police recommendations.
Aye.
Councilmember Ball.
Aye.
Vice Mayor Romero.
Aye.
Councilmember Hirschman.
Aye.
Mayor Reed.
Aye.
In Harrisonburg, Elaine Rackley for Breaking Through News.